Slava Ukraini! Today I want to introduce you the Everbook. Many of you asked on how do I organize my life with it, and I want to show you today. But let's start from the beginning, how it's all started. As you can see, it's just a ripped off cover from the ring binder I had. It's pretty old, and as you can see, it's fake leather, so you got a lot of markings, and you can see how it aged. I simply bought the elastic band, glued it together with the super glue. I also tried to glue it to the cover, but do not recommend that. So that's the system in its simplicity. You just have the cover and you have the bundles inside. Each bundle depends on what you do and how do you want to archive your information. As you can see, I have a lot of bundles. I have a lot of information archived already, and I am still very active user of the Everbook system. And I wanted to show you also how the Everbook synergize with the CatchAll system, because as you can see, if you saw previous videos, it's basically the small bundle of from the Everbook, and the whole system is just the cover with a elastic band. But Marty Creative has made the original product that, if I remember correctly, Brian Wolfmiller created the concept. And you can see the elastic here is pretty beefy and strong, and the whole product is just a leather cover with these flaps on the sides. I'm not going to talk a lot about the bundles that I have here, and as you can see, I have few, but I want to show you the concept on how do I archive my notes from the CatchAll in here. Also, as you can see, I've tried to archive them in a small CatchAll number 1. It's monthly CatchAll, and I just like the way it flops in hands like a real notebook. So a lot of stuff I keep in here and store on my desktop, but a lot of things like projects and so on, they go into my Everbook and help me organize my whole life. I have been using these templates for weekly templates for weekly and daily schedule that Pastor Wolfmiller created for, as you can see, 30 weeks. And after that, I started to make my own in CatchAll, just simply to have them on me all the time. I have the project bundle, the one that contains an active projects right now, and I have the Do More Good bundle, which is pretty interesting in terms of getting things done system. I have here the Someday Maybe folder, I guess, and I have here the master task. I won't open this up because it's personal stuff in here, but anyway, I have the master task. Also, I have the monthly task folder, and I've got here my reference folder and the waiting folder, waiting for folder to be exact. If you're familiar with getting things done system, you know what it's all about. If not, I recommend you to read the book that called Getting Things Done. And next we have our logbook journal. Here I used to store my journal before I got to this CatchAll little journal type thing. Of course, I have here my blank and templates, where I store, first of all, half pages, A5 format, just to jot things down quickly if I need to. I have those weekly templates which I just printed out from the site. I have project templates, and of course I have full A4 sheets in case if I'll need to create new bundle or new folder right away. Also I have here this little convert which contains very personal information. I won't open this up, but it contains some photos and letters that are very important to me. It just helps me keep sane in some situation. What about the CatchAll? So the thing is, I jot here down all the notes. Also, as you can see, I have some monthly trackers here because I have to take some medicines every day, and my training session, my reading sessions, and so on. But some of you asked, what do I do if I jot here some notes and I want to archive them or transfer them to my Everbook? Is about this little circle here that I spoke about earlier. So if you have a separate idea that you think you may expand in some time or make a little project or something, not just notes like what do I have to buy in the store and so on, you just open any page, look for this little circle. If it's not here, it's the next page, and you start your project here, for example, or jot down information about something that you want to remember. Or for example, as you can see, I have my poetry bundle where I store my poems that I wrote. So if I want to write a poem, for example, when I do not have my Everbook, when I only have my CatchAll on me, I just open a circle page, start writing here, and after that I can just put this into my poems bundle and save it for the next time. As you all know, guys, this is my test project. As you can see, I am testing something different in here also. I just put on some stickers onto the cover just to check if after some time I will be able to remove them quickly and easily. And as you can see, yes, you can use this cover to put on some stickers, some labels, and then just simply remove them if you don't need them anymore, or if you want to write something on the cover. And as you can see, it just works perfectly. I can remove as many and put as many stickers as I'd like to. That's also might be the way you want to personalize your CatchAll. Or if you're in good mood, you can put some good stickers in here, or different stickers if you have the CatchAll cover for the work, for example. You can also label the cover with stickers from the shop. They usually put the price tag on here. You just put the sticker, and for example, this is the date I started the CatchAll, and I can write down the date I finished this CatchAll, or just put my name on here or phone number or something. And as you can see, as I proved to you earlier, it would be easy to remove afterwards because we have used the Scotch tape on the cover, so it won't tear up anything. I'm very appreciated for your feedback. I also started receiving emails with your videos and your feedback. If you have any ideas, you can leave them down in the comments, or you can text me on my email. I will also provide it in the description of this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I see you next time. Stay safe.